Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, it's not a Monday, but you guys are blessed with my face. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty weird because I mostly post on Monday or aaj Monday nahi hai, but you guys still get to see me. So yeah, it's something that everybody's been talking about, and I was like, maybe I need to talk about it too. Like, I don't need to, but I want to. And again, this is my channel, Natasha's perspective, so my perspective over things. So yeah, point being, a lot of people tend to say कि भाई talk it out, बात करो, whatever is in your head, whatever is going on in your mind, whatever is in your heart, whatever emotions you're feeling, talk it out to a parent, to a family member, cousins, friends, teachers, whoever it is. Talk it out, it helps you feel better, and I 100% agree to that. Yes, talking it out is very, very, very important, and it really helps. Okay, but on the same note, I would like to say that talking it out is one of the most difficult things that anybody can do, because that means that you're letting this somebody else enter your personal space, because everybody has their own personal space. No matter how much of an extrovert you are, you have this one play, like this circle around you that's just you, just that only you know. And if you're like talking about your deepest emotions, your darkest sides, then you're letting somebody else in your personal space, and that's not an easy thing to do. काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है. It's again the same thing, it's not an easy thing to do. So now, yeah, talking it out is important, but it's very difficult. So what to do? This is something that I've been doing almost for the past 2 years now, approximately. Not consecutively, but I started this 2 years back. So it's basically whenever I have strong emotions, any kind of strong emotions, anger, being upset, being stressed, overthinking, which is anger and overthinking like are things that can describe me. So yeah, whenever I'm feeling all of this, what I do is I write down whatever is in my mind, whatever is in my head. I write it down. Sometimes it's just scribbles and words of some like मैं बाद में देखती हूँ, I don't even know what it means sometimes. And there are times when I don't want to write it down. I'm just like sick and tired, and I'm like just no, I there's no paper and pencil right now around me. So being the person of 2020, I have my phone around me always, like most of the people do. So what I do is I take my phone, I open up the camera, I press record, and I record myself. Whatever is in my head, I say it out. Okay? It could be the lamest, stupidest thing, or it could be a very serious thing. Whatever it is, I'll say it out and I'll record myself. And then I'll look at it again in a day, a week, a month, sometimes even a year later. So what happens is there are two types of scenarios. एक scenario होता है कि maybe after recording that certain video, एक साल बाद I'm in a worse situation or a similar situation, and I record the video again उस वक्त, and then I reflect on that previous video, and I realize that I have went through something worse. I've went through a bad phase. I've had a bad phase in my life, and I'm here. So I'm like, I'm really glad कि भाई whatever happened, and it's gone, and now it's a bad time again, but I will get through this too, because I've gotten through that. Okay, that gives me hope कि भाई if I could go through it a year ago, a month ago, or maybe even उससे पहले, if there's something that's worse that was happening, or अभी वापस this I'm in a bad phase of my life, तो फिर it helps me recollect myself and be like, okay, I'll get through this. Okay, that's the first scenario. Second scenario being कि maybe a year later I'm in a very happy place, like everything's okay. My personal life, my work, my like whatever I'm studying, whatever I'm doing is fine. I'm in a good happy moment, and then I come across that video and I watch it, and then I'm again grateful for the fact that thank God I got past that phase. If I wouldn't have got past that phase, I wouldn't have faced this happy moments of my life, and I would have missed this out. And then I'm just like glad about it. So in either ways, it's very difficult to be positive, but I'm just glad कि भाई गुजर गया ना, हो गया वो, like whatever it was, it passed by. and now I'm at a happier, or even if it's a bad phase, I'll get through this too. So that has really helped me these past 2 years. I'm not saying that I have been I've never been through a bad phase or something. Obviously I do this, but I still go through a bad phase. I still get upset over things. I still overthink. I still get stressed, but it helps. I think I get calmer sooner because of this. And again, it's a different thought process for everybody else, and I can't like tell you, okay bhai, do this and it'll get okay. It's again एक बहुत different scenario होता है सबके साथ. Maybe your case is a different case, mine is a different case, your thought process, your dealing with things is different, mine is different. So again, that also comes in. So yeah, this was it. कि talking it out is important but difficult. So these are just two alternatives: writing it down and recording yourself. Because again, letting somebody else in your personal space is better कि you yourself are in your personal space. Okay, again वो again अलग बात है. If you need advice or you need help, then yes, you need to talk to somebody else. But if it's just something that's going on in your head and that's like you're overthinking it or you're stressed about it, so it's best to talk to yourself. Because at least if a year later you're reflecting on yourself and you're like, okay, a year back मेरे साथ ये हो रहा था and this was my mind state and now I'm here. So at least it's like it's with you only. No third person, वो uncomfortable feeling ही नहीं आती है आपको. Because I know a lot of people that are not very comfortable talking it out. So don't talk it out. Like, talk it out to yourself, talk it to the diary, unless you really need help with whatever you're going through. That's a different case, that's a different scenario. And speaking of that, I would just want to say that I'm not a psychologist or a licensed therapist or anything. मैंने सिर्फ एक साल psychology पढ़ी है, okay? That too I didn't pass with a very A-star grade or something, okay? I passed it with like a good C grade, okay? So I'm not like a psychologist or something, but this is just something that comes from experience. This is something that helps me, and I hope it helps somebody. If not you, maybe you can share it with your friends. Maybe somebody can get help from this. And yeah, this is something I feel needed to be spoken about, because this is something that nobody's ever told me to do this, or I've never heard of somebody else doing these things. So maybe if you're not doing this and nothing else is really helping you out and you need to talk to somebody, talk to yourself. Maybe that can help. Okay, so yeah, okay, this was a pretty long video. It's 8 minutes. Okay, so I'll take your leave. See you guys with my series Below the Conventional Line. Uska episode आएगा Monday को, as it always does. Or this was just like an extra update of something that I've been doing. I hope it helps you guys. And okay, bye. See you on Monday with Below the Conventional Line. Yeah, bye.